Hi guys, my name is Liran and I'm Director of Product Marketing at Hailo. Welcome to CES 2020. Today I'm going to talk about the Hailo-8 and will show you the latest demonstration. As a reminder, the Hailo-8 is an AI processor for edge devices. A single device like that is a 26 tera operation, does not require external memory, and therefore enables you to get a very high power efficiency across multiple applications. As a reminder, in Embedded Vision Summit in May 2019, we showed you the classic classification neural network ResNet 50. We were able to show around 600 FPS with a lower resolution of 224 by 224. Now the question is, why do we need this high FPS, 600 FPS? So what can we do with this horsepower? One alternative is to go to a higher resolution, HD or Full HD, and to do the AI processing. Today, the existing solution does not able to accommodate the processing of the Full HD or HD, and they are doing the downscale of the input resolution in order to meet real time. In the case of Hailo, we don't need to do the downscale. We are able to work on the full resolution. And the second alternative, depending on the application, is to go to a multiple stream with a lower resolution, and we will show it to you as well. So let's start with the first demonstration. The first demonstration is MobileNet-SSD HD resolution. The input from the camera is HD resolution. Again, we are not doing any downscale on that one. You are able to see a classic detection of a person, a chair, and so on. And all of this is in the envelope of 0.4 watt. This is quite amazing, and we are able also to touch the device itself, and it's working from the morning, it doesn't hit. This is one example. The alternative, if we'll go here, we can take multiple streams with lower resolution. In this case, we have 12 streams. 2 out of them is from live cameras. One is a webcam and the other one is internal one. All the resolution here is 300 by 300. So we have 12 streams, 300 by 300, running MobileNet SSD. And all of this is in the envelope of less than 1 watt. And again, this chip is running from the morning, very low power. So basically, it's depending on the customer what is the trade-off that it will be. If to go to a higher FPS, a higher full resolution, or to go to multiple stream. Here we have Full HD semantic segmentation. Again, this is a standard network. All the network that I'm showing you right now is network that original network, the original paper, we didn't do any pruning on that one, and we run them. Here it's semantic segmentation, a resolution of Full HD 1220 by 1080, and here we are running it in less than 1.1 watt. The power efficiency of this demo is around 1.8 tops per watt. And now I would like to show you 2 demos that is with collaboration with 2 distinguished companies. The one is called Socionext, and the other one is called AAEON, and we'll explain. In the case of Socionext, what we are doing is collaboration using a BoxiEdge. BoxiEdge is a device that we plug a Hailo-8 M.2 module. You can see the Hailo-8 here. And it is a standard PCIe interface that you plug into the device itself. It enables you to connect multiple cameras, for example, and to process the AI on the Hailo-8. In this case, we are showing several cameras that are mounted here, multiple stream, a MobileNet-SSD as a detector, a resolution 300 by 300, very low power, less than 1 watt. And again, we can scale up in terms of the amount of cameras that we're able to connect. And this device is going to a retail store, for example, going to smart cities, for example, to see all kind of, it's very cost effective in terms of the amount of camera that you need to process with a single Hailo-8 device. So this is the first collaboration with Socionext, a Japanese customer. And the second one is called AAEON. AAEON is from Taiwan, is part of the ASUS, and they provide a box that is in-vehicle network video analytic platform. In this case, similar to the M.2 module, we provide a mini PCIe module, again Hailo-8 PCIe interface plug into the device itself. In this case, we are showing another demo. This is called the pose estimation. Pose estimation is basically to identify the body parts. Can be used for gaming, can be used for elderly people if they are falling, can be used for other behavior. For example, violence in smart cities. We are providing the building blocks, not the application level, but you are able to run it on the Hailo-8 device. So basically, what you saw here today at our suite is a variety of neural network and application that we are able to run on a single Hailo-8 device. So we would like to show you the versatility of the device itself. The Hailo-8 was not developed for a specific task, and it's across all this application, the power efficiency is quite high. If you want to learn more about the Hailo-8 and the value proposition, you are welcome to visit us at visit our website, hailo.ai. Thank you and see you next time.